Meanwhile, a Charlotte veteran was a guest of honor at the president's Tuesday debate in Cleveland, and he shares with Fox 46's Brett Baldeck the safety measures he had to go through in order to attend the event.
The veteran told me as of this afternoon he was not contacted by the White House or any health officials about contact tracing, but he says he understands that considering the president has met hundreds of different people this week.
To be honest, it's a very important
Try to be
question.
honest.
COVID-19 was clearly a concern at the debate in Cleveland.
It was no easy feat. If one was sick, you were not getting into the event.
Sean Kilbane was the guest of honor for President Trump, and before his meeting to discuss veteran affairs, he says he had his temperature checked at least 6 different times before entering the debate building. He even has paperwork showing a negative COVID-19 test.
And prior to that meeting, White House medical staff individually interviewed us and asked us about COVID symptoms and COVID exposures and anything that possibly could put the president or any of the first family at risk.
Then came the news early this morning everyone at the debate could be at risk, with President Trump testing positive for COVID-19. Kilbane had the virus earlier this year and has been tested for antibodies.
So I myself, I'm not necessarily worried about any exposures to myself, because most medical experts would say that if I have the antibodies, I'm technically immune to it.
Many have been critical of President Trump and some in the audience for not wearing a mask at the debate. Kilbane even has pictures without one, but he says the health screenings before the event put his mind at ease.
I wasn't looking to put on a show, but rather, if we know we're both safe, let's interact appropriately, given that I know that you had a COVID test today and I had a COVID test today.
Sean told me although he's already had COVID-19, he will follow all procedures, including checking in with his physician to see if he needs a second COVID-19 test. For now, reporting in Uptown, Brett Baldeck, Fox 46.